And welcome to the program. Our top story at this hour. All eyes are in New York, where world leaders will gather for this year's session of the United Nations General Assembly. Our team is in Washington, D.C., tracking all developments, decoding India's global ties, the visit by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the United States, and much more. Our principal diplomatic correspondent now explains Modi's agenda and what is expected from the high-level meetings. Watch.
We on USA Direct from Washington, D.C. with Siddhant Sibal.
Well, it's going to be a very heavy week in terms of diplomacy. We know that the UNGA session is going to start. It will start on 21st, and Joe Biden, as the US president, is going to address this session, and he is among the first speaker, and this is first as the president. There are other world leaders who are going to address, and of course there will be key outcomes in terms of what they plan to go forward. There is, of course, a climate meet as well, a closed-door climate meet, which is co-chaired by the British Prime Minister and the UN Secretary General. There is, of course, President Biden's virtual COVID vaccine meeting as well, the summit as well. Then, of course, it is the Indian Prime Minister's visit, the first in-person Quad meeting. So, multiple things are going to happen. The key focus will be on both Washington and New York in terms of the engagements, and it's just not the leaders level but also the foreign ministers level, the meetings taking place. The Indian External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will also be in both the cities. In New York, he has a number of engagements. He will be part of many multilateral engagements at his level. There is, of course, a SAARC meeting, the traditional SAARC meeting that takes place on the sidelines of the UNGA. At what level it will be and who will be participating will be the big focus. But also in terms of a very fast-paced change in the global world order this week is important. So ultimately what happens in this week will have its repercussions for a long period of time. But annually traditionally we have seen the last week of September being heavy because of UNGA, but this time, after a long time, that news is not just going to come from New York, but it's also coming from Washington with the Quad meeting.